I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Squad Busters. First, you'll want to understand the main goal. Collect the most gems by defeating monsters and other players. Choose your starting character wisely, as this impacts your early game strategy. Practice your movement and attack controls to navigate the arena smoothly. Remember to use your character's unique abilities at the right moments for maximum impact. This foundational knowledge is key to your success. Building a powerful squad is crucial for victory. When you collect duplicate characters, fuse them to evolve your squad members, making them much stronger. Think about combining different character types like a tank, a damage dealer, and a support to create a balanced team. Don't forget to activate your character's special abilities and supers during battles. These can turn the tide of any fight. A well-rounded and evolved squad will dominate the arena. To master combat, focus on targeting high-value enemies first, like those carrying many gems, while minimizing damage to your own squad. Utilize the environment to your advantage, using bushes for cover or obstacles for strategic positioning. Always keep an eye out for power-ups that can boost your squad's stats temporarily. Be mindful of the shrinking play area and the locations of treasure chests, as these are vital for late-game success and securing victory. After each match, you'll earn valuable resources like coins and gems, along with character chests. These are essential for your progression. Use your earned resources to unlock new characters and powerful spells as you advance along the game's progression road. Make sure to participate in the various special events that pop up regularly. These events offer fantastic opportunities to acquire exclusive rewards and bonuses, helping you further strengthen your squad and expand your collection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.